assist sa tagtungod. Start whenever ready.
Okay, on. Sorry na sing.
Ready, sinisave, sir.
Sir, ako si RJ sa kabiyanan provider. Nausa si VP.
Kaya pala ko sir, natukpan akong bata.
Oo na ko sir ha. Sige sir. Check moral committee.
Walay visible na object, sir. Conscious lang ang baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Walay natagat na object, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Walay nakita na object, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Still, walay naluwa si patient, sir. Eventually, baby became unconscious.
Ma'am, ikaw nga naka-white t-shirt, paliw ko tawag ng ambulance na baby unconscious and then balik na ko nakay. Kasi update yung mga tawagan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Check oral cavity.
Walay visible na object, sir.
Give breath.
Airbags is back.
Position. Give second breath.
Still, airbags is back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Check.
Karon, sir, makita nga pwede na makuha si object.
Do big sweep.
Okay, object remove.
And slug. And give breath.
Okay, check patency. First blow ni Sudra, sir.
Give second breath.
Still, he goes in rapid ang second blow.
Check pulse. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Ang baby, sir, na eye pulse but not breathing.
Give rescue breath.
Okay, proceed rescue breath.
Breath 2001, breath 2002, breath 2003, breath 2004, breath 2005.
Okay, let's say last time more rescue breath, sir.
60, breath, check pulse, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
This time, sir, pareho walay pulse and breathing ang baby.
Perform CPR, follow up, help mom.
Okay, proceed with your
1,
CPR.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Breath. Breath.
Okay, continues yung cycle, sir. Let's say na another rescuer arrives.
8.
Okay, on. Check the scene for safety.
Ready, sinisave, sir.
Sir, ako itong ipatawagan sir. Ako yung UPM.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Breath. Breath.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2.
1, 2.
Okay, let's say, sir, last cycle of 2 infant rescuer
9,
CPR.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10.
1, 2. Check. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Okay, this time na may pulse and breathing ang inyong baby.
Position. Do the secondary assessment. Look for any injury. Pick up PDLS. Interview the parents. And then last, bring the victim to hospital for further management.
Okay, that ends ang inyong